Hello everyone and welcome to another FX Centrum trade idea, and basically I will cover different markets today. For this video there's plenty of things going on with volatility, and I think it will be very interesting for you as well to cover different markets. So let's start first with one of the biggest trends, if not the biggest trends in liquid names and liquid markets. Gold market and the silver market. And specifically, we'll speak about the gold market. So we'll just go through the things here. Yesterday's trade idea went pretty well. We gave the bull idea, so the buy idea, and the upside target around 4,160. So we actually reached that this morning. So that was a phenomenal trade. We have lots of success and successful ideas in this market, and obviously on the upside. Mostly. So far we actually had a sell-off around after 4,176, but market found the buyers again around 4,100, and seems like there is again still chance for the higher price. RSI in the hourly time frame is holding pretty well, around 62. EMAs of RSI is also holding above the 65 level. It's a very strong upside environment momentum. Take a look again, potential retest of 4,176 and potential 4,200 mark in the next period. So I will not give a now specific trade on this one, but this is just a view and an update. Obviously key support around 4,090 short term. Now, interesting thing, and this will be also a trade idea for the day, will be on the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had a massive sell-off. Literally, we went from, just go here. So we went from 126,200 mark all the way. So there was a 13% drop in just a matter of a couple of days. And that's quite a big sell-off of the high. But you can also see here, there's a 4-hour time frame again, that we went all the way around 2021, and there was a reaction higher here. You can see the RSI, but still held pretty well, and we have a downside environment. So I see potential for the market to go further to the downside, and this will be more like a swing term trade idea to the downside. So I will go and take the short position tool. Now in this particular trade idea, I will put a stop to be 116,000, let's say 850 or so. But then the bigger target in Bitcoin, so we have some structural levels, 100,000, 108,000 mark, and then I will say we have a probable potential for the 100K or 99,000 to be in play. So if you think about that in the swing term, we have potential to for the 2.5 times or even more, 2.5 to 3 times bigger reverse initial risk. So the first downside, again, support meaningful around 109,200, 300 mark. And the next one about 100,000 mark. Decent potential there. Maybe put a protective stop. Just ideas around 108,630 or so, around the recent lows, and then see if market will go there. If market can go lower without reacting higher to the break-even level, then that will be a good progress. So we'll see, but that will be idea like for the day. The next thing I just want to cover as well is the energy sector. So we have crude oil making the new low, and the crude oil is in a really like energy sector this year was totally to the downside. There was lots of volatility around, but still it's a down for the year, and we might see the retest of the 55.50 mark. This is spot crude oil, about maybe even 56 mark. So there is a still chance for the lower prices. Market did consolidate for a couple of months, but broke strongly last week, and so far we have downside continuation. So more downside pressure and momentum and the crude oil. And lastly for today, we see that volatile market, things around the tariffs in US, China, and so on. We had a big sell-off in the Nasdaq, S&P 500, and so market did react higher overnight. You can see here it was got a 4-hour time frame, so you can see even clearly. So this was initial impulsive downside move, and below the 20, market actually managed to go and react towards the middle Bollinger Band, but so far today it seems like we're reselling, so we might see the retest of the low and further downside movement. So that's another thing, downside pressure potential on the Nasdaq 100, and if we can retake and with strong momentum, the next level is around 23,000 mark. So that was a one complete picture just for you to have around global markets, the most liquid markets, and what is happening so far with a Bitcoin downside idea for the day. That will be all from me. Feel free to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Leave the comments below, and you can use the code. I can write the code here for you. Either 20. This is the promo code for the prop firm challenges. No matter what challenge, if you write this code, you can have a 20% off of any challenge. You can check. You have the link in the description of the video to check more about that. And that will be all for me. Take care, everyone, and see you soon.